Hey guys, so I just finished working on a huge project. I'm seriously gonna show you guys my kitchen so you can see like a behind the scenes look at what this entails. I was working with Dunkin' Donuts on a project. So I was filming a video for them for Halloween and I had to do like DIY Halloween treats, which I had so much fun doing because like I'm not a very like crafty person, but I'm just gonna show you the state of my kitchen. This is my kitchen. This is a disaster. I've got freaking little like candy eyeballs all over the place. And I don't know, it's just not a pretty sight, you guys. I've got all of this stuff to make some little crafts, but I did want to show you what I ended up making because some of these were pretty easy to make. So the first thing that I made was this little like donut bouquet. Dunkin' Donuts has like these like seasonal like Halloween donuts. So they have like the little spider guy, and then all of these were different like donuts that I picked up at the store. So I got all of these, and what I did was I got this little tin at Dollar Tree, and I got like spider web at the Dollar Tree, and then I got, where are they? I had another one. Oh, okay, so like these little foam things I got at the Dollar Tree. There's one of them in there already. Got these little skewers, and then I just kind of played around with like the height. I broke them off like when I wanted to make them shorter or longer or whatever. And I just stuck the donuts on there, and that's my little donut bouquet. So then I also made these little mummy muffins, which I think were super cute. This was probably like the easiest one to make. Dunkin' Donuts has these pumpkin muffins, which I'm dying to eat because like I've had them since yesterday and I really just want to dig in and eat it. I legit just bought this frosting at Dollar Tree and I just frosted it. And then I got these little, they're gonna all fall over the place. I got these little candy eyeballs at Publix and I just legit just stuck the little eyeballs on. So I think that that is like such a cute little mummy muffin. So then I did this guy. It's just a plain pumpkin flavored muffin. And then I got white frosting, so I just frosted the donut. And then these are like little Oreo cookies that I mashed up, and then I just took a peep and I put a toothpick in it, and then I just stuck him on there, and then it looks like a little ghost coming out of the graveyard, like coming out of the dirt, which I thought was like really cute. And then this guy is just a munchkin. So these are the munchkins that I picked up. These are the pumpkin munchkins, which are delicious. And all I did was I frosted this with the white frosting, and then I just stuck two little eyeballs on. So he's like some little ghost thing. I think that if you have like other colors of frosting, like if you have green frosting, you can kind of make these like little monsters. You can put one eyeball, you can put two eyeballs, you can put three eyeballs. I think that's like a cute little Halloween like treat that you can make. And then I made these guys, which are a little bit more difficult because it was just like such a pain. It was honestly a mess to deal with just because the black icing is like super like dirty and it gets all over your hands and stuff. But I think that they turned out really cute. So for these I did the same thing. I took the little munchkins and then I just put the black icing all over each of them. And then I just took the little Oreo cookie and I think I broke them into like quarters. I don't know. This poor bat is a little bit uneven, but he still looks cute. And then I just put the little eyeballs. And there's this guy who's a little spider. I think he's super cute. So I just did the same thing. I frosted the donut, put the little eyeballs, and then I took like the little stick pretzels and I just stuck 3 on each side, and that's a little spider guy. Do I have like gray hair? I don't know if I have gray hair, if I have frosting in my hair, but it looks kind of gray. I don't know. I need to go look in the mirror. I seriously can't tell if that's like gray hair or if it's just the lighting or if it's frosting in my hair, but I hope it's not gray hair. But yeah, that's really it. That's all I wanted to show you guys. I wanted to show you how simple these little Halloween treats are. Believe me, I am the least craftiest DIY kind of person. I don't even know why they reached out to me to make this video because I just usually suck at all of this stuff. Like I just go to the store and buy stuff already made. I just kind of challenge myself, and I was actually pretty impressed with what I came up with. I think the stuff that I made was pretty decent. Did make a mess. Like Joe walked through here and he was like, it looks like a bomb went off in our kitchen. Like what the heck is this disaster? But if you can get past like the disaster, I think that these are like fun little Halloween treats that you can make. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you did like what I came up with, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.